Hello and welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you in this 19 plate Range Rover Velar D180. Get itself as an aerodynamic model, so it's got the more sportier body styling, but taking a close look around the vehicle, as we come around you can tell it's got the full exterior black package on this one. You've got LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as front parking sensors. Like I said, condition of the vehicle is all in lovely order throughout. We know the previous keeper of the vehicle, he was just pair-texed it in on another car we had in stock. But looking down the driver's side, again, it's all in lovely order throughout. You've got the gloss black roof rails, you've got rear privacy glass on this one, and then gloss black detailing runs throughout the vehicle. And then alloys wise, we're riding on these lovely 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels there, finishing the gloss black as well. As we then come through to the rear, you've got rear parking sensors on this one as well. You've got your gloss black Range Rover Sport badge, and you've got your rear park sensors and reversing camera as well. Full electric tailgate, effortlessly glides up like so. You've got 60/40 split folding rear seats. Pull-out blind is present for the vehicle. And then lifting up the boot floor mat, you've got the full space saver spur wheel as well. And then to close the boot, you just press the button down, and it effortlessly glides down like so. Coming in down the passenger side again, looking down the vehicle, it's in lovely order throughout, same with the alloy wheels. They're all in lovely order as well. Then jumping inside, and then I'll show you through to the rear first. You've got this lovely full leather perforated interior with the Alcantara side bolsters, arse fixed in the back for your child seat, rear centre armrest. All the backs of the seats are in lovely order as well. And then this little button here can adjust the back rest of the tilt. And then you've got the lovely brushed aluminium detailing throughout. Jumping into the driver's side, you've got full genuine tailored Velar floor mats. You've got three-way electric driver's memory seats, are perfect for sharing the vehicle with a passenger. Like I said, condition of the driver's seats in lovely order. Same with the passenger seat. You've got electric windows, power four mirrors, Meridian Sound System. You've got the lovely leather multifunction steering wheel with the Atlas bezel in the wheel as well. You've got lane keep assist, cruise control, voice command. You've got auto lights and auto wipers. As we're doing the video today, the vehicle is only 39,248 miles, which is absolutely nothing. Then jumping inside, you've got full satellite navigation, full DAB radio with all the extended channels, full Bluetooth connectivity for your phone. You've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. And then if we pop it into reverse, your reversing camera's displayed like so, and in a moment you'll get the thing for your front parking sensors like so. Coming in down to the other touchscreens, you've got all the vehicle settings here. You've got different drive modes, you've got dynamic, eco, comfort, grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, and then you've also got sand as well there. Heated front seats, digital climate control with heated front windscreen as well. You've got this lovely hidden cup holder there which you can tuck away like so. Two keys are supplied with the vehicle, another cup holder, and you've got the lovely front centre armrest as well. But any further questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. And thanks for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.